Hi, good morning. Welcome to the new topic correlation and regression. So, correlation and regression, out of these two, I will start first the correlation. The word itself says that correlation. So, if you write like this, correlation. So, there is a relationship between the means two or more. So, you are going to find is there any relationship between the two or more variables. Normally, two variables. Example. If I give an example, is there any relationship between the rain and example the crop? So there is a relation is there. So whatever to get the good crop, agriculture crop, good crop, if you get the yield, so the certain amount of the rain must required, means water is required, that is rain is required, natural. So there is a relation between these two, like that. Say for example, income and expenses. There is a relation is between these two, right? Relation is in between these two variables, like that. Demand and supply. There is a relation. Which type of relation is there? It may be the negative or it may be a positive, right? So that kind of that sort of the things that you need to study in the correlation chapter. So you are going to analyze. You are going to find is there any the relationship exists between the two or more variable. That is the first question. And second question that you are getting after this topic, you are going to find after this topic that you are going to get the knowledge of by studying this topic is there any relationship between the variables? That is one. And what amount of the relation is there? Degree, right? The rate, that is you are going to find, or which type of the relation is there. It may be negative or positive. So it may be like that. So directly I will take you not to waste the time, directly I will take the theory, right? Okay. So what is correlation then? What is correlation? What is correlation? It may be like this. So correlation means, as I said, that correlation is a statistical tool. It is a statistical device, right? You may call it as a statistical tool or device. What actually your statistical device provides you or helps you to measure, to analyze the not only the relationship but also degree of relationship between the two or more variables, right? So then what is correlation? The correlation analysis is the measures or deals with the association between the two or more variables. Again here, association means what? The relationship between the two or more variables. That is these are the meanings. So what you have to find here now? The correlation analysis or correlation deals with is there any degree of relationship between the two or more variables, or it finds the association between the two or more variables. That's it. That you are going to find now. From the which one? From the correlation. Clear? Now move to the next one now. Which one? The correlation. You call it as these points as a properties or objectives or features of correlation. What is the objective of correlation or feature of correlation? The degree of, if you read this one, the degree of relationship between the two or more variables, this point, the degree of relationship between the two or more variables under the consideration is measures through the correlation analysis. What actually? Correlation analysis. The measures of correlation is called correlation coefficient. The measure is now called as a correlation coefficient, right? The degree of relationship between the relationship is expressed in coefficient, that is a range minus to plus. Between the minus to plus, that you have to check it, that is -1 to +1 means the correlation answer between these two number comes. It may be less than 1, that is -1 to +1, nothing but your correlation answer not more than 1. It may be positive or it may be negative. So it means your correlation is lies between the -1 to +1, like that your skewness lies between -3 to +3, that is like that. So correlation lies between the -1 to +1, that is the property. The direction of the correlation means variables, the change in indicate by sign. By sign means it may be positive or it may be negative. 10% increase, 20% increase, like that. It shows the sign of positive or negative. Next one is the correlation analysis enables us to have an idea about the degree and direction of the relationship between the two or more variables under the study. It means what this point exactly says that if you are finding the relationship between the two or more variables, that it shows the variation, it shows the relationship. Not only it shows the relationship, it shows the degree, means rate, example 10%, 20%, like that, and also it shows the direction, upward side or downward side. Downward means negative side, upward means positive side, like that. It shows the relationship, it shows the degree, and it shows the direction of the variable also, right? So this was the concept of correlation, right? Now move to the next one, types of correlation. What are the different types of correlation? So the first type, see this one, the first type. So I classify into three types here now, right? The types of correlation one, that is positive and negative. Types of correlation one is what actually? Positive and, you see here, positive and negative, right? So what is this positive and negative? In the positive correlation, right? The positive correlation is if the both the variables, two means both the variables are moving in the same direction. Same direction means if your income is increases, example, savings also increase. Say for example, right? If your the price increase means what? Normally, its demand is increased. So it may be like that. So both the variables are in ascending order. Means they shows the same direction. It may be increase or it may be decrease. It may be increase or it may be decrease. If the example, more supply means less demand, that is the negative. But the more supply means what? Less demand. Then less demand means what? Less price. So price and demand both are in the same direction. It may be positive or it may be negative. What is no correlation? In this case of negative correlation, both the variables are moving opposite direction. As I said, the demand increase means what? Supplies decreases. If your expenses increase, your savings are decreased, like that. So these are the variables. Then direction of the correlation, I think I said that now. If the one variable increase means another variable also decrease, like that. It is if you read this one, as I said that example, same the directions are there here now. And you get the example also here now. These are the examples. Just you read it yourself. Then correlation type 2 now. Correlation type 2. That is type 2 simple and multiple. In multiple, partial and total. So in the type number 2, simple and multiple. We'll go for the first simple correlation. What is simple correlation? Under the simple correlation, problems, they are only the variables and variables are studied. Only the variables are studied. It may be increase, decrease, degree, cannot be identified. Then what is in multiple correlation? Under the multiple correlation, there are three or more the variables are there that they are studied. They will study. So more than two variables are studied. Where three or more means more than two, means 3, 4, like that. In partial, if you see the partial, in the partial analysis recognize then the two variables, but considers two variables keeping the other variable is constant. Say for example, demand, price and supply. So maybe your concentration may be only on the demand and price. So you constant the supply. Only these two are studied. Example. So then what is total correlation? The correlation is based on all the relevant variables. All variables are considered here. Now there is no, the one variable is constant. So whatever is required for you, all variables are considered and its movement, its relationship is studied. That is the second type of correlation. Now third type of correlation now. So linear and non-linear. Linear means systematic. Relationship between the change is same. See, in the linear relationship between the change in between the two or more variables, its amount, its rate, its ratio is same. That is the linear correlation. You read this part, then I will explain you in a very simple way. Linear correlation means the two or more variables, the change or trend is constant or same ratio. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change is what? 1, 1, 1. Here 5029, 2 increase is there, like that. So change in between the 2 or more variables must be same rate. Then here non-linear, the change in between the 2 or more variables not same, not constant. That is your which type? That is the type of non-linear correlation, right? So the correlation, causation, just you read this part. I don't want to explain this one. Then move to the degrees of which one? Correlation, right? Degrees of correlation. Then this degrees of correlation I will explain you in the next video. Thank you.